leave, Will. You're freaking out my little brother.
After you tell me what happened. Is it Ashley? I saw you talking to her. What did she say?
Just leave, all right, Will?
Just tell me what she said to you.
Will, I did not come here for some stupid summer romance with some stupid local boy that has done this with 1,000 other girls.
What?
Ashley told me about all the girls you've been with. So I don't want to be just the next girl in your little parade of girls, Will. Going on the same date, doing the exact same thing. I think I decided to be better for me.
End it. End what? Ronnie, yes. Okay, I went out with other girls before I met you. But that's the point. It was before I met you. How can you be mad about that?
Will, don't you dare make this about me. You and I both know this is not my fault.